Balancing an egg. Well, this is one way to do it. We get a little bit of salt and we put the salt in a pile on the board, and then we put the egg in the middle of the salt. Of course, you can still see the salt there, but in fact, I can blow the salt away. It's all blown away. You can't see it now if you look very close. Just come up here, and there you can see them. I've blown it away, but the last few grains that were around the bottom of the egg are pressed onto the board and held there by the egg, so the egg will stay vertical. That's a little trick. It looks really clever when you see them there, but of course they're held by the salt.